This is Abhishek Sengupta. We are back with another episode of Knowledge Talks. Now, in this episode, we have with us Mr. Kaushik Bhattacharjee. Mr. Kaushik Bhattacharjee is a sales strategist, is a business strategist, a registered startup mentor, and MSME consultant. It's going to be an interesting show. Please watch it till the end. Hello, this is Abhishek Sengupta. We are back with another episode of Knowledge Talks. Now, in this episode of Knowledge Talks, we have with us someone special, Mr. Kaushik Bhattacharjee. Mr. Kaushik Bhattacharjee is a sales strategist, is a business strategist, and is a common face in many news channels and news shows. Apart from that, he is also a registered startup mentor and MSME consultant. He has helped many companies to overcome tough situations. He has helped many companies to plan their business strategies and, of course, the growth strategies. Mr. Bhattacharjee, welcome to our show.
Thank you, Abhishek. Thanks for the kind introduction. It's wonderful to be with you on your show. And trust me, how your show is, talks are getting popular. You're getting so much of traction. People are liking and, waiting for your, very thoughtful, new age topic. So many congratulations. And I wish that you keep coming with many new topics, which is going to help small businesses, startups, and people in general who keep a lot of interest in this kind of topics, and it will help them in future as well. And yeah, we are good to go, and looking forward to today's talk.
Thank you so much, Mr.
I'm not sure how much knowledge I can impart, but definitely we can have a good time chatting with each other.
Absolutely, absolutely. It's going to be an interesting show. Please watch it till the end. Going straight to the questions. Number one, COVID-19, which has made a headfall in 2020, changed many aspects of business. Many shifts were noticed. Now, when the business and economy both are resuming its upward curve gradually, there is a need to re-strategize marketing aspect of the business. What should be the key pointers which one must keep in mind? Over to you, sir.
Abhishek, it is true in last 1 year, things have completely transformed and changed. And a lot of SMEs and startups, they are struggling. They are thinking how exactly to address this situation. And so we have to go to the basics and have to go to the roots. Really need to understand the situation, analyze it. And if we do that properly, we can figure out we still have something in hand, which is our existing customers. So we have to start with our existing customers. We have to focus on them. We have to serve them well, and we have to really assure them. We have to help them with their needs, and it is going to help us in return. And they are going to refer us our products and services once they are satisfied to the entire ecosystem, to their known people, and they are going to be our advocates in the market. So it is not only about reference. So you have to, on startup, small business, they have to plan very well their existing customer-oriented offerings, how exactly they can help them. So this is probably my point number one. Second point would be, you really have to think about your communication strategy altogether new. What is that? It's actually the kind of communication one business used to send pre-COVID may not any longer be useful or relevant in post-COVID times. right? So there could be, many examples of that. What do they need to do? Now they have to really look at their target TG and really need to think what is now value to them. Maybe what stuff those were of value to them earlier are no longer of value to them. Something new, little bit of shift in value has happened. So one has to figure out what exactly is the value, and now they have to make their ad copy, make their content, make their communication messaging as per the new value, which is going to this TG would find this very, very relevant. And another thing, maybe you have a business which is online, offline combined. So you have to think, how exactly you can take major part of your business online. So there are, maybe you are already online, Abhishek, but still there are many scope to take more portion to online. Little bit of maybe, invoicing, tracking, so many things you can still take online as a small business. So it is good that you take most of it online, and it is going to, help your customers. They will feel confident. They can be on top of it. So and also the point number 4, I would like to say, you be innovative. Help them with a lot of related offers and sales offers, product bundles, and communicate those properly. So this is something very important. Maybe they also need, you should tie up, we should piggyback, you should partner, you should collaborate more with complementary product and companies. It is not always your forte to do things all alone. So you have to find the right partner or collaborator or partners in the marketplace. You can collaborate with them and go to the market. And you have to also look at a lot of automation. We can talk gradually on that. We can also talk about a lot of we were all over organic earlier times. You have to move to gradually organic and inorganic both. You have to try new tools, new methods, which will actually give result for our kind of business. Does that make sense, Abhishek? You were trying to know this or something else? Am I on point?
Well, I find, it's absolutely on point, and a lot of good pointers which we got from you, sir. First and foremost, that what you have told is to get back to basics. This is something when we do a job, when we are in a business, we at times miss basic. We get into a lot of complicated stuff. But of course, at the back of it, we start missing the basics. This is number one. Secondly, you have rightly said we have to do a new age or new generation product and customer orientation. And of course, the collaboration part was really something which we need to, keep it in mind. And in this situation, we have to start collaborating. And of course, collaboration leads to newer innovations. Now, along with this, we have to produce a product bundle so that our entire product strategy need to change and need to need to re-strategize the product strategy. I think this is something really good pointers which we got from you.
And Abhishek, we continuously need to do surveys so that we can actually understand what exactly is the right value for our target group. What exactly they were looking for something else earlier. Now they are looking for something different. And we really need to keep doing a lot of surveys to understand. See, they normally do not speak up directly to you. So you have to be proactive and reach out to them and really understand what do they mean by value to them. Okay. So this is very important, and you need to re-strategize all your stuff based on, see, market research and surveys has become very important now. Things are, every couple of months, every quarter things are, changing a bit. You just imagine, pre-vaccine and post-vaccine, feel-good factor is changing in the market, right? So once you have more feel-good factor, your customer probably, feel like going out. You being a tourism honcho, you can understand if people feel going out, they feel comfortable going out to the market. I mean, vacation. I mean, dining. You can understand. Food in food business, in restaurant business, take home or carrying was already happening, but dine in was not happening. So once vaccine is there, change of feel good can actually, help people go out and dine in at a restaurant. So there would be a sudden change. So you have to keep doing those surveys and understand that what is actually happening, what shift is happening in the market continuously, and you have to re-strategize. So and then you have to do the communication as per that. Makes sense, right, Abhishek? I think
absolutely. As you have rightly pointed out, that a lot of changes are happening. So that survey part is equally important in this scenario. It has to be there because 6 months before what the scenario was there, and of course it is not going to be there 6 months later. That feel good factor is slowly coming up. That strange fear is slowly fading up. And of course, I hope the situation improves and everyone is very, very optimistic in this. It was a nice session with Mr. Kaushik Bhattacharjee. I personally extend my thanks to Mr. Bhattacharjee for taking out his time and coming to our show. I'll give the links in the description of this video using which you can connect with Mr. Bhattacharya. But still you can visit www.kaushikbhattacharya.com. I'll give the link in the description of the video as well. And if any of you would like to connect with him for any business strategy, sales strategy, digital media strategy, you are free to connect with him. And I'm sure all of you will get benefited with his advice and with his mentoring. That's all for today. Thank you so much once again. Stay tuned, stay connected. Have a great day.